So hello everyone, welcome back to Algo Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing LeetCode daily problem of the day. The problem is clear digits, and in this problem, we have to given a string s, and our task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. And the operation is we have to given this one, and then we have to remove, and then we have to return the resulting string after removing all digits. And this is our example test cases. And now let's look at their problem statement. Then we have to look their example test cases. And now here, so first we have to given a string s, and this string we have to contain a lowercase English letters a to z, and then our task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. And the operations we have given here, the first delete we have to delete the first digit from the left to right, L to R. And the second one is we have to delete the closest non-digit character. Like non-digit means there are no any characters, sorry, there are no any digits present. Then we have to remove this one, and we have to remove from its left. Okay, and now after that we have continued this process until all digits are removed. And now let's look at their this one, closest non-digit character, like closest non-digit. And the closest non-digit character means the nearest letter to the left of the character digit of the current digit, like the nearest letter to the left of the current digit. It means closest non-digit. And the second one is the character to its left side, and it means the character that appears just before the digit in the string. Then we have to remove it. Okay, and now our goal is, this is our goal, and our goal is to we have to remove all digits from the string while ensuring that each removed digit also remove its closest non-digit character to its left. And then and then also we have to find, and the final output is basically to if the remain character is, if any in their string, if any character is remain, and then we have to return their non-removed digits. Okay, like if we remove let's suppose a b c and 1. Okay, and now we have get one digit, and one digit we have to remove this one. And after removing this one, and the closest one is c, and after removing c, what we have to get, we have to get a and b. This is our answer. And now let's look at their example test case. And in first example we have to given a b c, and this a b and c, here are no any digits. Okay, no any digits are present on this string, so that we can return as it is. ABC is our answer. And now in second example we have to given CB and 34, CB and 34. And this example, first we have to go through with, like you can say, L to R. Okay, and to first we have to find the first digit, like first digit, this one, this 3, at index is 2, because 0 1 2 and 3. And now index value we have to get, and this index we have to remove the 3 and the closest non-digit character. Like first we have to get this I is equal to 2 is equal to 3, this value. And then this, after removing this 3, we have to remove the closest non-digit character. Closest non-digit character is what, this b. This b we have to remove this one, and to its left, this is their left side. Okay, and now what we have to get, our new string is c and 4. Okay, and after this we have their next digit is this one. Okay, and this one, what index, 0 and 1, this is first index. And after this we have to get, after removing 4 at index of 1, we have to remove 4, and then their closest is c. Okay, and after remove c, removing also a c, and our new string is empty string, no any character, and no any character is present here. So empty string we have to return here. Okay, this one. So I hope you understand the simple test cases, like how we actually look at their uh, digits and their string character. And the brute force solution of this code is, one second. So the brute force solution is, first we have to iterate a while loop which is run as true whenever we have to exit our condition. Okay, so after this we have to a for loop for iterate over the string, and then we have to check if is digit function, if each digit is present, and then s of I. Then after this we have to check with a reverse order. Okay, you can check with their reverse order. Then we have to like r to l. Okay, r to l we have to check with this, first we have to get this digit, and then we have to check their closest one of a non-digit character, then we have to remove it. Okay, and now we have to for int I is equal to, sorry, j is equal to I minus 1, j greater than is equal to 0, minus minus j. And after this we have to check with their one function if is alpha of a of I, and then we have to erase our character s dot erase j comma 1. And after this is what we have to remove the non-digit character. And after all operation we have to remove the digit character means s dot erase I comma 1. And this for loop we have to calculate with digit, and this is non-digit. Okay, and now what we have to get, the time complexity of this code is O of n square, because we have to iterate a two for loops. Okay, this is for digit, this is for non-digit. And now let's look at their constraint. Basically here we have to given less than is equal to 100. It means less than is equal to 100 means we cannot perform O of n square solution. This is a brute force solution basically. And now let's look at their optimized solution. Okay, the optimized solution is, first we have their string of answer. This string of answer we have to calculate our answer, and after we have to remove all the operation, then we have to store into our answer. Okay, and now we have to iterate a for loop, and we have to use stack. Okay, what why we use stack is basically used for, we have to like we have to push our element and character. Okay, element and digit you can say. And after this we have to one operations to remove it from their stack. Okay, and then we use a for loop, and this for loop we have to iterate over the string, and then we have to check with their digit, and if the digit is present, then we have to ensure there are character to remove. Okay, this condition, and then we have to remove the closest non-digit character. Here we have to remove non-digit character. Then here what we have to push, here we have to store non-digit character, store non-digit character. And then after that we have to construct the final string, like what we have to get here we have to construct, and then we have to store into our answer. So now let's look at their like l- uh, like let's look at their dry run code and a dry run example, how we use a stack for for deriving our solution. First we have their input string. Let's suppose our input string is c, b, 3 and 4. Okay, and this example we have their iteration based. So first iteration, in iteration 1, the character is c. Here is c, and after stack like first our stack is empty, and then we have to what we have to do, we have to push operation here, we have to push here, and then our stack is after update our stack is here is C. Okay, and now second iteration, what we have to do, we have there B, and this B, our updated like our updated stack is now C, and then what we have to do, we have to do here is B, we have to push here, and then updated is C comma B. Okay, and now third iteration, in third iteration we have their character, and this character is 3, and this 3 we have their value. Okay, here what we have to get, here we have to get a digit value. Okay, and now our C comma B, and now we have to pop this B because we have to get this digit, and now we have to remove the closest one is B, and then we have to pop operation we have to perform here, and now popping this B from this updated stack, now what we have to get this C, and now the fourth iteration we have to get this 4, and this 4 we have their updated stack is C, and we have to pop it here because we have to get a digit value, and now we have to remove a character, and now after this what we have to get, we have to get a empty string. Okay, so that same thing we have to also performing here by using this O of n square solution. Okay, and now the time complexity of this code is we have to iterate over the string. It is taking O of n time, and each iteration we have to push and pop operation. This is also at most once, like O of n time, and the final reconstruction, like we have to also create a answer string answer, then it takes O of n time, and the overall time complexity of this code is O of n time, and this is efficient for running all the test cases. Okay, and now the space complexity of this code is we have to store the most characters, like we have to use stack for performing all operation. It is taking O of n time, and the overall space complexity of this code is O of n. Okay, and now the stack approach is optimal and efficiently remove the characters, and this approach efficiently solve the problem within the given constraint also. And so I hope you understand the logic and the implementation part of first we have to use a brute force solution, and then we have to check their optimized solution using a stack. Okay, so I hope you understand the logic and the implementation part. So thank you everyone, thank you so much.